Hello, I'm from CDS Technique. Today we got an order on a NASA space winch. This is a really interesting print because it have all the components inside of it. So all the gears and things that need to be working is inside the print to start. So to show you that, I will go into Tinkercad and split it apart. So here we are into Tinkercad, and here you can see the wrench, and it is ordered as a gift, so the name is on it. And you can see it have a hole in the middle of there the turns, and then you have this little block that you put in. So I'll just take a red block and make it the half size of them and drag it over it, and then I will just put it a bit down so it fits, and then I will make it into a hole, and then I will group everything together so it slices the wrench in half, and then we will see how it looks. So now it's slashed over, and you can see there are this big gear and then this little thing that pushes on the gear. And it works by the gear can only turn one way, but then it tries to turn the other way. This little split pushes against it and do so not can. And you can see there are a little bit of gap between the gear and the wrench, and that means that the gear can turn even if it's printed in one part. And you need to have a really good calibrated printer to print things like this, because if it's just a millimeter off, the two parts will stick together and you will not turn it. Here you can see the gears, they are a bit taller than the little in hook, so that means that the gear stays inside of the wrench and cannot come out. And everything else look very good, so let's get printing. As you can see, I have stopped the printer to take a photo of it, just to show you how accurate it is and how you can see the gap between the teeth of the gear. And it was printed with a 0.1 layer height, because this needs to be really accurate. It was printed with 13% infill, and it said it will take a little bit over 12 meters of plastic and 7 hours. And now it's finished. Let's see how it looks. And here you can see the final part. You can see the name is standing out really good. To make it work, you need to then take it off to wiggle it about and hit it a few times in the disc, and suddenly it will pop free and it will work. It is really fine because it is printed with the 0.1 millimeter height, so there are no defects, and it just works really well. You can see here I tried to test it, and it worked really well. It tightens one way and then it's loosened the other. And if you need to loosen the bolt, you just flip it around. It don't work as a tool because it is made of PLA, so it is really brittle, but it is a good gift and a good thing to put on the table and use as a memory. And that was everything I have for you today. Like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, write down in the comments and I will try to answer the best I can.